guys, Angel here with the Bullish Bears team, and I am making the watch list for tomorrow, October 25th. So it's actually, my birthday is 1 week from today, so very exciting next 7 days coming up for me. I'm very excited about my birthday. But I have the S&P futures pulled up, and we can see that it's really indecisive right here on the daily. I'm trying to see. I can't even tell if there's a... Yeah, it's a doji. So as of right now, it's a doji, which is a very indecisive candlestick, and it's red in nature. So we'll just have to wait and see, oops, what happens with that tomorrow. But actually, you can see that this is a strong resistance level. It has not been able to break. So it could potentially be forming this big double bottom, or it's going to be forming a triple top and then falling. So we'll just have to wait and see which side wins, the bulls or the bears. So let's get started for tomorrow. We have ATNM. So what I do not like about this is that you can sort of see this head and shoulders forming on the 5 minutes. So I'm going to skip that for tomorrow. So let's take a look at SMTA. Okay, it's near its highs. Sort of just been trading sideways. It's going to run into resistance at 89 cents. So that's about 10 cents away. After that, it's going to run into resistance around 120. Let's look at the hourly, see what the hourly shows us. So you can see this bull flag here on the hourly. So that's a really nice bull flag. I'm going to put that on as it is holding its highs. Right, so we will put this on. So we want to watch out for this 89. Just make sure that was running. And then 120. Whoa, what just happened? Let me see. Very adventurous day here today, apparently. All right, so we have a bull flag on hourly. Watch for resistance around 89 cents and 120. And then just be aware of $1 because, again, whole and half dollars are strong psychological support and resistances. So that's SMTA. This is also easy to borrow. So let's say that this move happens pre-market after hours, then you can short this stock down. So again, very good to remember. It's easy to borrow. You can take the short side of the trade. Let's take a look at TROV. So we were watching this on Tuesday. What day was Tuesday? Was it the 22nd? Yeah, it was the 22nd. So you can see that it pumped and then dumped, and then it's pumping again, but it's got all these resistance levels. So I am not going to put this one on the watch list for today. FTNW. This was on the watch list. This was on the watch list for last night, so I'm not going to put this back on since it was already on last night, and you guys can continue to play that. So let's take a look at MYT. Okay, so you can almost see left shoulder, head, right shoulder, so big inverse head and shoulders with resistance. Got to watch out for 53 cents. That's so close. And you can see it hit and tried to break it and then failed. So I don't know how I feel about that. Because the next one would be around 80 cents. And then that 200 SMA. So let me look at the hourly. See what the hourly looks like. You can sort of see this big cup. Really big cup. This could also be a 1, 2, 3. So a triple bottom as well. But there's also a bit of a rising wedge, which is bearish, excuse me. So I think I'm going to skip this one because that rising wedge is too close for comfort for me. SLGG, that's going to be a no. RIGL. Okay, oh, I made that big. Okay, you can see this cup to end the day. You can also see a double bottom on the daily. Let's look at the hourly. Bull flag on the hourly, a little bit overextended, but that can sometimes confirm a trend. It's going to run into resistance at 215. If it gets above that, then you're going to watch for resistance around 235 and then 250. So, bull flag on hourly. Watch for resistance around 200 SMA on daily and 235. Okay, so that's RIGL. Let's take a look at BRP. And nope. Let's take a look at MR. And no, I don't like that. ONDK. Also don't like that. Like, you could potentially take the bearish side of these because these are easy to borrow, but it's so indecisive right now that I'm not going to put it on. SESN, not forcing a stock on just to pad a list. I'm not going to do it. Okay, so this one's going to run into resistance around 155. Let's look at the hourly. Bull pennant on the hourly. So I'll put it on. Oh, it's going to run into resistance at this 200 SMA. I don't know what I was looking at. I must have got distracted. Bull pennant on hourly. Watch for resistance around 200 SMA on daily. All right, so that is SESN. Let's take a look at TEUM. No, I don't like that. UCTT. Okay, so you can see bull flag breaking out. You can also see left shoulder, head, right shoulder, a little bit of a V bottom. And bull flag on the hourly. So this one is going on the watch list. Watch out for resistance around $18. Let's see. Bull flag breakout on daily. Watch for resistance around 18 and $19. Okay, so this is UCTT. Let me just make sure when earnings are next week. The day before my birthday. I was born on Halloween. PDSB. No, I'm not putting that on. No, I'm definitely not putting BCCLF on. RBZ. No. Just look at that. Just pumping. It's pumping. I'm not putting that on because I would bet money that as soon as the market opens tomorrow, this thing is dumping if it doesn't already do that, because you can see like the last hour of the day just ripped. And then pre-market or after hours, excuse me, is ripping. So I'm not putting that on. MEDIF. Okay, so this is holding its highs-ish. Was, and then it's not. We had this moving average crossover yesterday, which pushed price up. It's going to run into resistance around 420. Let's look at the hourly, see what the hourly shows us. I don't like that candle per se. You can see left shoulder, head, right shoulder, but I'm not the biggest fan of this one, so I'm not going to put it on. Kirk, K-R-I-K. Kirkland's. Oh, man, I used to love that store when I was like 10. Okay, so I'm not putting that on because as you can see, this right here, it ended the day with a shooting star candlestick, which is a bearish reversal, and look what it did, just dumped. So it's no surprise because look at this, shooting star, dumped. QEP, I think this can be a no. Nope. NWHMW, that's quite a mouthful. Okay, so this one went up. Not a lot of volume though, which that doesn't mean volume's not going to come in tomorrow, but you can see bull flag. It's going to run into resistance around 525. It's more of a bull pennant on the hourly. I'll put it on. It's also easy to borrow, so you can short this one if it does not go off tomorrow. Bull pennant on hourly. Watch for resistance around 520. Was it 520 or 520? It was 525. Okay, so this one, NWHM. Earnings on my birthday. Okay. Reed. REED. Nope. MMLP. You can see this teeny bull flag popped up. That had earnings. Not a ton of volume. But you can see cup, handle, breakout. So I'm actually going to put this on for a potential continuation of a breakout, depending on where. No, I'm not, because resistance is right here at $5. I mean, $4.83 up to $5 is like a 17-cent move. It's not terrible. If it gets above that, if it gets above $5, you've got room up to $6.25. So I think I'll put it, because if this does not go tomorrow, I mean, it can go Monday, so that might be one that you want to watch for Monday. And it's a beautiful cup and handle on the hourly. For resistance around $5 and $6.25. And that is MMLP. Let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll take a look for potentially one more, although I tend to find that less is more on a Friday. So actually, I'm going to make the decision to end this right here, because we've got 6. Normally, we only have about 3 to 4 because we can't even find 6 plays. And not even 3 and 4 plays are going to be awesome. So I'm going to leave this. We do have 3 easy to borrows. So should these just take a dump tomorrow, because it is a Friday and a lot of people take Fridays off from trading, then play the short side of it, and then you can make money on the way down. So that's a great thing about easy to borrow stocks and Thinkorswim. And if it is a poopy day tomorrow, come over here. You can take our courses. We've got a lot to keep you very busy. If you want to see what's going on in the markets and see how we handle days that could potentially not be great, come into our trade rooms and watch us live stream and trade for the first couple hours of the market, which is a great deal. So if you are not yet a member, you can head to the subscribe page. We have a 14-day free trial on our monthly membership, which you can cancel at any time. It's $49 per month if you don't cancel before or after the trial is up, or around when the trial is up. Because if you cancel after the trial is up, you're going to get charged. So We also have a yearly membership, which I would maybe recommend if you're on the fence. Try out the 14-day free trial. If you like us, you can always upgrade to the yearly where you get access to more things. So just head on over to bullishbears.com just to see what you get with these memberships. And I hope to see you guys in the trade rooms, especially on Tuesdays when I stream. And follow us on social media too, guys. Let me see. Don't have it on here, but if you go to our blog, which we have a lot of great resources on our blog, I published this article today by our team member Allie on day trading forums. And if you come down here, you can just click on all of the social media stuff that we have down here and go and follow. So follow us on YouTube, follow us on social media, like and share, comment, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see y'all later.